Hello YouTubers, thanks for checking out another tutorial video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to add or change your YouTube video watermark so that it appears on all your videos. And to do that, head over to settings here, and once you're in the settings here, go to channel and then head over to branding. Right now I have this subscribe image here and it is set to entire video, and you can set your logo to display at the end of the video or custom start time, and that's up to you. So now you can click here to replace or upload a new watermark and browse to the folder containing your new logo. So here I have an example here. Just click on it and open, and you may get this error text here. It says incorrect image aspect ratio. Select a square image and try again, meaning something like 100 pixel by 100 pixel or 250 by 250. Okay, so I got this new square logo. It's actually of a square. Okay, so you see the logo here. Once you replace or add your new logo here, just click save, and within minutes it will show up in your video watermark screen at the corner. And that's all there is to it on adding a watermark to all of your videos. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.